Well, the market has been flirting with the February record for about a month, but today it finally got there, thanks to spirited buying of mining companies and retailers. Qantas was down more than 4% at one stage as a result of being hacked, but it caught some buying this afternoon. Now, part of the reason for the optimism among investors would be that even though the US market closed slightly lower last night, there was a golden cross on the charts. Now, that's where the 50-day moving average goes above the 200-day moving average. A mystical sign of strong momentum. It doesn't happen very often. The last time was 2 years ago, and it's usually, but not always, a precursor to more rises. The US Senate passed the One Big Beautiful Bill last night, 51-50, adding somewhere between $3 and $5 trillion to government debt. Now, irresponsible budgeting usually brings out bond vigilantes, which is the name given to investors who sell government bonds, that is debt securities, in response and drive up the interest rate on them. Last night the interest rate barely moved. The vigilantes were a no-show, which might be partly due to the pressure that President Trump is putting on the Federal Reserve to lower interest rates. Last night he sent a handwritten note to the chairman telling him to cut the policy rate to 1%. Trump gets to appoint a new chairman pretty soon, so investors think maybe it'll happen. Oil jumped more than 1% on commodity markets and the Aussie dollar was steady just below 66 US cents. Retail sales increased 0.2% in May, which was less than half what was expected, but it would be worse without immigration. Per capita shopping has just arrived back at zero, having been negative for 3 years. And that's finance.